Fine.
Hello friends, I am Khushbu Shah, and on this 75th Independence, we would like to throw some light on financial independence as well. So today we have two guests with us who will guide us on financial independence. So one is our first guest is Dr. Shefali Samir Bhujbal. Hello, ma'am, and welcome.
Hello.
Yeah, so just would like to introduce herself. Like she is currently an administrator at MET Bhujbal Knowledge City, Nasik, and she is also working with Max Life Insurance since 2005 as an advisory. And she has been guided many of the family and helping them to get themselves protected. Also, she has been 4 times MDRT and 3 times COT. Okay, and she has been doctorate and currently also pursuing a PhD into spiritual management. All right. So, along with all these, she is also a trained Bharatanatyam dancer and a painter. So, welcome you, ma'am, on this show.
Thank you. Thank you.
Our second guest is Mr. Vijay Mistry. He is an international financial coach and founder of Shriji Finance. He has been a member of Associate Registered Financial Consultant and several times MDRT as well. And his main mission is to empower financial planning in one's life so that a family, like one can have a financial independence in his life. And by qualification, he is a mechanical engineer. Lately, he chose to move to finance field so that he can create financial independence in everyone's life. Yeah, so welcome, sir. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Khushbu.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, sir, today, ma'am and sir, today we would like you to guide us on the financial independence. So, I would just like to know, like, during this COVID time, so how can one should manage their finances? Like, this COVID was really unexpected. So, the finance and everything got hampered. So, how can one should manage their finances in such a pandemic time? First.
Okay. Thank you, Khushbu. Thank you for the introduction and hi, Vijay.
Yeah, hi.
The questions which you're putting me in front of me about the financial independence as we are celebrating 75 years of independence of India. And of course, yes, one should be independent in each and every vertical of their life. Moreover, coming back to the financial independence, as we have faced pandemic, that was a turmoil or maybe that is an unexpected thing which could happen in our lives. But I feel life is always an unpredictable situations and we lie down into all these unpredictable situations, maybe diseases or maybe accidents or any other things. If we talk about any diseases, we have pandemic, we have cancer, we have lot many diseases over and above. But 1 minute. So over and above, and the unavoidable circumstances when we talk about, of course, yes, the coverage and the insurance which we thought about has to be taken care of. So when we talk about the financial independence, the insurance is one thing which we have to take care, and these catering and combating failures of all these will happen when we have an investment strategies for ourselves. So pandemic is just one kind of disease which we look upon.
Yeah,
And
that's
there
very
are
right.
there are various systems and there are various formats which we can go ahead with this.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
over to
Vijay, sir,
Vijay
could
if
you?
he wants, if he wants to
Yeah,
talk about.
see, this like pandemic came like no one predicted like that something like this type of lockdown will come in our life that everyone experienced for first time in their lifetime across the globe. And during such time, everybody realized that what's the importance of health and wealth too, both things, because our life is totally dependent on these two factors majoritarily. So that is, first is health, and then if you're healthy, you require good enough wealth to take care of your basic things. So this pandemic showed me that one should have emergency fund always available to them. And most of the time, I've seen that many people, they don't plan for contingencies, and they just keep on investing or they just keep on spending. But this time was really eye opener for everyone across the globe. And this gave that insight very well, like how one should plan for their money. And first of all, these things should never happen again. But if something comes up by chance like this, not as a to the large society, but in our in our individual life also, something like this can come up. Like pandemic, like there might be accident or major disease to individual, and so one should be prepared to take care of such things through contingency planning. And as ma'am said very rightly, through proper insurance and protection. That's a very, very important part. Also to just tell, Sefali ma'am is also many times MDRT. So it's a very prestigious award. So she has been Millionaire Roundtable member for almost 4 times. And also COT, that is Code of the Table member. So that's her contribution in the financial industry is really great. And I really appreciate her contribution in the industry, that being into whatever she is, she's taking out time and believe in making a difference in people's life, and help them protect and do right thing in their financial life.
Yeah, that's really a great contribution, madam. So fine. So now, so from this we come to know that at this time at least they should make a corpus, like emergency corpus, and also they should have enough protection with them, right? So like now, as you said that they should have a corpus, but now how will they prioritize? As you said, health and wealth both are important. So in what way one should prioritize? Suppose like if I want to invest, suppose a lakh rupees. So how will I prioritize? What is my currently need? And if you can just help me out with that. Yeah, ma'am, you can go ahead first.
Okay, when we talk about investment or we talk about financial planning, so one's जो अर्निंग मेंबर उनका तो बेसिक फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग तो होना चाहिए. When it's a usual thing that 50% is your basic needs like food, clothing, education, then 30% is your wants and desires, and 20% is your investment. So वो जो बीच में का जो bracket है wants and desire, if you cut down to wants and desire and when you invest into the investment that is of 20%, so automatically वो financial planning अपना एक concrete हो जाता है. So these are the things which we can think about. So this is a basic system which we learn in all these management lessons, as well as through experience also we can think of. One format is FIRE. If you all know about it, is like in US, they have a system called FIRE. FIRE is for financial independence, retirement earning. So when you are at the age of 40, you can have this FIRE because we have your corpus very much set up. And set up corpus rahega, so you don't have to think about, you don't have to spend money, but you have to invest money into it. And early retirement, so early you start thinking about investment, early you retire. At the age of 20-25, you should think about your investments. Like now, as I am working with Max Life, so I can only suggest about insurance, which is a gainer part, which is a coverage, and which is a very much protector. So these things of systems we should follow. And I feel when we are into it, very disciplined into it, very religiously following all these systems, then only we can come to a corpus fund, emergency funds, and coverage protection.
Yes.
Fine.
Yeah, very rightly said by ma'am. Yeah. So, so see, one should have the triangle in place. So you should follow the financial pyramid. Like you should have protection, and then as she told about the different percentages, like you should know the difference between your needs and wants. But apart from that, one thing which I would like to highlight over and above this is one should do investments or savings in a safe way. or into a safe havens or a safe instruments rather than going for a speculations. Because during such time, everybody has seen that in 2020, after pandemic, immediately after pandemic, there was a huge fall in the market, and people experienced the fall, the real fall during that time, and no one knew that when the market will go up when the fall came. But coincident with the grace of God, market recovered very fast. But however, if such fall comes, your all the investments will go for toss. It will not come to your use. So you should save into a safe haven. So that's very, very important. So there are safe havens like some very good plans like annuity plans, which gives you surety of a guaranteed income throughout your life, something like that.
Yes, very
Or,
true.
yeah, or something like fixed deposits, maybe. But also there are many investment plans linked with the insurance, which is giving you insurance as well as guaranteed return for your future. And one should really plan during such time that if something like this again happen, then from where my regular income will come. So whatever check I'm taking from my company, if my pay cut happens, from where my similar amount or how I'll get compensated. So one should plan for that. And it's very, very important rather than investing into speculative things or very much into real estate thing and all the stuff.
Right.
It's like
Yeah.
equity shares, mutual funds, ULIP, which Max Life can give. The insurance companies gives, which are market limited products, but that could be a very secured mode.
Right.
Right. Yeah. So here I've got the answer for my third question as well, like in which all financial product one can invest. So you're like it is clear, like first one should always protect themselves first and then think of investing. So as Vijay sir told that annuity plans are good for their retirement wherein they can get a income for lifetime. So all right. So now it is clear, like they so what so according to me, so like as per my understanding, one should protect themselves first, like buying a health insurance and a life insurance, and then they can invest. So like for investment product also, like for a person like me of just like I am 28. So for me, what investment product would you advise at this age if I want to start for my retirement planning or any other financial goal? So what investment financial product would you recommend to me?
I guess Vijay should talk about it first.
Yeah, fine. So see, financial independence is very, very important, Khushbu. And you should think about financial independence first. So before going for investment, you should plan for your basic things. कि कल कुछ हो गया ऐसा कुछ भी, तो मेरा फिक्स इनकम तो आना ही चाहिए जो मैं घर पे लेके आ रहा हूँ, समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो जो भी मेरा सैलरी आ रहा है, क्योंकि एवरीबडी इज एक्सपीरियंस सैलरी कट बिग टाइम फॉर सो मेनी डेज, एंड फॉर बिजनेस ओनर्स दे नो what challenges they are facing right now. So income बंद हो जाती है अचानक से. So one should, after protection, one should plan for the regular income in their planning. That's very, very important, in a safe way from the safe haven. और उसके बाद में जो भी पैसा बचता है, ideally they should invest into real estate, whatever they want to invest into. But these two things, that's what my takeaway from this COVID period, that one should have these two things. Apart from that, we are entering into 75th year of the independence. So पहले इतने इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स नहीं अवेलेबल थे, फाइनेंस इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, कि जहाँ पे लोग कर सकते थे इन्वेस्टमेंट. बट नाउ वी गॉट सो मेनी थिंग्स एंड रेगुलेशंस आर आल्सो सो गुड राइट नाउ डेज that your money will be secured. So in a long run, you don't face any challenge in the financial instruments. So it is equally safe, or I will say it is more safer than real estate nowadays, or even more safer than most of the banks. So if you take any insurance company, they've got so much of contingency in so many things. Yeah. So one should plan for the independence first, and then they should go for the other things. Yeah, over to you, ma'am.
But
Just quickly, I think you are.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
No, sir. There are various plans available in the market. Recently, I guess on 9th August, I'm not very much sure about it. The government has mentioned about the digital gold bonds. So if Vijay must be knowing about it much more than what I have studied. But these are all the demat accounts where you have to take your gold and invest it, so that can multiply. So it's not a tangible figure. It is not a feel factor of gold. So these are the things which government is planning to come ahead with all these investment strategies. So this is one. Then we have government bonds, we have insurance, we have mutual funds. So at the age of 2025, people should start thinking, as your age is 28. So people should start thinking at the age of 2025, because people have started earning early than what we used to earn. Our earning age was 25, 26, but nowadays young kids also start earning. So we have
yes.
to actually inject all these things into their younger minds so that they have a corpus and they have plan for their investments and financial securities.
Yeah. So thank you both of you for this. Like I really will take your advice and follow it same for my financial independence. So just to conclude, ma'am, will you just like to tell everybody a small 2-3 lines on just financial independence? Just 2-3
See,
lines for
power of
everybody.
compounding is one thing which I feel that power of compounding is called the eighth wonder of the world. So compounding means एक पैसा आज आपको मिला है वो एक पैसा इन्वेस्ट ही करने का है, 50.50 पैसा इन्वेस्ट ही करने का है, वो कंपाउंड होते जाता है. So that is your financial strategy and that is your independence, financial independence. So these are the things which I feel this is the word which I regularly follow. So this goes to each and every level of our life strategy. But
All
the
right.
sooner, the better.
The better. Correct,
Yeah,
correct.
great. So
That's
it is, yeah, so it is like having discipline. So it's like
Yes,
discipline. कि आप पैसा निकालो मत.
yes.
You should keep it, and you see the power of eight wonder, as ma'am very rightly said. We
Hmm.
call it in
Hmm.
finance industry eight wonder. That's power of
Hmm.
compounding.
Hmm.
So it's like it works amazing. So if you just see, I'll just tell you one small example. Like somebody invested into a particular scheme, and his money, which was around 30-40 lakh, became almost 6-7 crore. Okay, and as he kept it in that for 20 years, so you can see like 30 lakh, as small as 30 lakh can become 6-7 crores over a period. So that's what the magic of compounding is. So that's what one should focus on. And I would like to give a message about financial independence would be 75th year of our financial independence has started, nascence. So one should start, at least at this stage, one should start planning their personal financial independence and personal financial freedom in their life. And they should also experience the freedom of finances from the financial burdens and all the stuff. So one should really think about their financial life seriously. I met must be more than thousands of people, but I see that people still don't take finance life that seriously. So that's very, very important in one's life. So that's all. And thank you, Khushbu.
all
And thank
right.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, Khushbu. Thank you, Vijay.
Yeah, thank you
Thank
both of
you.
you, ma'am and sir, for guiding us. Thank you so much. Hope
Thank you.
our guest it will help our guests to achieve their financial freedom.
Yes,
Thank
yes,
you. Thank you
definitely.
once
Surely.
again.
Thank you.
And
Thank
wish you all a happy
Yeah.
Bye.
Independence Day.
Yes, happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day. Thank you.